Hello, I am Arthur. I own the oldest bakery in this snowy city. Every morning, I wake up early to bake fresh, warm bread. Today is very cold. The winter wind howls outside my shop window. I must wipe the flour off my hands and check the window. Look at that small boy outside. He looks very cold and hungry.
My stomach hurts so much. I have not eaten for 2 days. That bread looks so warm. I just want one small piece today.
I am watching him closely. He is reaching for my front door.
Please do not make a loud sound. I am so scared right now.
Someone is opening my front door. I must stay very quiet right now.
It is so warm in here. The fresh bread smells absolutely wonderful today. The shop looks completely empty today. I will get a little bit closer.
That is just a small child. Why is he here? Why is he here all alone today?
Just one small piece of bread. This will make my stomach stop hurting. I finally have some food today. I must leave this shop very quickly.
He is trying to take my food. I must stop him right away. Stop! Stop right there, young man! Put that fresh bread back on the table.
Oh no, he is so tall and angry. I am in big trouble. I am so sorry, sir. Please do not call the police on me. I did not mean to be a bad boy today. Please forgive me.
This poor boy is completely terrified of me. I need to calm down. Don't be afraid. Do not be afraid of me. I am not going to hurt you. Why did you try to take this? You know stealing is very bad.
I have absolutely no money, sir. I am just very hungry and cold.
He is just a starving child. I cannot punish him for being hungry. Come with me to the back room. It is much warmer inside there.
This is very strange. Why is the angry baker not calling the police? It feels like a warm hug in here. I am finally getting warm.
Sit down right here, little boy. You are completely safe in my shop. You must never steal again. Always ask for help when you need it.
I promise you, sir. I will never take anything without asking again.
This poor boy needs a good meal. It is time to feed him. This hot soup will be perfect. It smells very good and very hearty. I will give him the best bread. He needs a lot of energy. Eat this warm meal slowly. The hot soup will fix your freezing hands.
My hands feel so warm now. The smell makes my mouth water instantly. This is incredibly delicious. I have never tasted such amazing bread before today.
He is eating so fast.
He really was starving in the cold snow.
Thank you so much, sir. This is the best meal I ever had.
You are very welcome, my boy. Now we must wash those dirty hands.
Dry your face with this towel. You have soup all over your chin. If you want to eat every day, you must learn to work hard.
I will work very hard for you. I really want to learn everything.
I will show him the basics first. This is where all baking begins. Now, push the dough with your hands. Press it down very firmly today.
This feels so soft and very sticky. It is really fun to do.
Follow my rhythm closely. You must push and fold it just like this.
I am trying my absolute best. I want to make the baker proud.
He is learning so incredibly fast. He makes perfect circles with the dough.
You are doing a wonderful job. Now we put them in the oven.
This oven is incredibly hot. The bright fire warms my face up quickly.
They look absolutely perfect. Now we must let the hot fire bake them.
I cannot wait to see them. The whole kitchen smells like sweet bread.
Look at these beautiful loaves. They are perfectly brown and very crispy now.
Look at that beautiful crust. I made my very first bread today, sir.
You have a real gift, my boy. I am very proud of you. It is a beautiful morning. The sun shines brightly into my bakery today.
I am wearing a clean white apron. I finally feel like a baker. I will arrange these beautiful loaves carefully. Everyone will see my hard work.
You earned this delicious breakfast today. Hard work always brings a good reward.
I cannot believe I made this delicious bread. It tastes like pure magic. Thank you for giving me a chance. You changed my life forever, sir.
Sometimes a simple act of kindness can change a person's entire world forever.
I hope you enjoyed our story today. Kindness is always the best choice.
Please subscribe to our channel today. It helps us tell more beautiful stories. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will see you soon. You have a real home here now. We will bake great things together.